Hi, Dale Sharbert, Royal LePage Team Realty. Are you in the market for a house right now? You're looking for the home that gives you enough space to store your boat, your trailer, RV, whatever you need. And you need space to get it around to your backyard.
Hey!
And oh yeah, maybe you're also looking for a really nice workshop. Somewhere you can heat, put your power tools in. Maybe you want it as a workout room. Maybe you want it as a pottery studio. Right behind that glass right there, that is a great workshop right behind your two-car garage, 5740 Carman Road. Give me a few minutes. I might show you your next home.
Every time I see your face, my heart begins to race. You're my latest
5740 Carman Road. Let's take a look at the inside.
embrace. You're the best part of me.
So coming in from the garage, you have the entry to the basement. You have a laundry room and a three-piece bath. And then you come into the kitchen. Good size space. 2 or 3 people can work in here at the same time. Lots of countertop space. All banks of drawers here. The sink with the window above looks east, so you have a view. This is a nicely laid out space. So as you walk from the eating area over to the dining room, you go out to the patio door to the sunroom. So I'm out in the sunroom. Look at the sunshine that comes in through here. Windows, 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 windows. Direct entrance back outside to your deck. You can also go straight across into your garage or your workshop. This is a wonderful place for mornings, evenings, lunch, you name it. This is the spot to be. You cherish sunshine, you will love this room. So the living room is all open to the dining room, the eating area, and the kitchen.
You're giving me butterflies.
Look at the sunshine that streams in through this living room window. And again, a great view of your backyard. The front entryway is right here. Down this way, we have our 3 bedrooms and bathroom.
It's you and me, baby. Until we're old and gray, until heaven calls our names. It's you and me, and hey, baby, we're winning. So until forever ends, I love you till then. I love you, I love you, boy, I love you till then. Until the sun don't shine, until the end of time, it's you and me, it's you and me. Until the sun don't shine.
So have you always wished you had just that great shop? Somewhere you could refinish furniture, do woodworking, do electronic work, a dance studio, a workout studio, a yoga studio, any kind of hobby that you wanted. Well, we've got it for you here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 regular size windows. We've got a big picture window in the back. We've even got a skylight. We've got fluorescent lights. Obviously it's wired. We have a heater right here. We have its own panel right here. Whatever you're missing in life in terms of a hobby, you can do it in this shop. This is an absolute bonus. 5740 Carman Road. You've got to take a look, folks. So I decided to end today's video in this beautiful sunroom. 5740 Carman Road, just outside Iroquois. This home has a lot of bonuses. It's all brick. It's got the 3 bedrooms. It's got a nice finished basement. It's got a nice big open kitchen, dining room, living room. It's got that great workshop. It's got a nice big yard, and you're only a few minutes walk to the shopping plaza in Iroquois and a couple-minute drive to launch your boat at the Iroquois Marina. The other bonus is this is vacant, so if you're looking for a quick possession home, this is it. Let me know in the comments below, is this a place you could call home? If you're not currently working with a realtor, by all means give me a call. I would love to give you a personal tour. Dale Sharbit, Royal Page Team Realty, your local realtor. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video.
We are onto something so beautiful. We are onto something